Guys, I have at least one thing. There's a true difference between LEGO standard gauge train tracks and LEGO narrow gauge train tracks. But what's the true difference between these two gauges? Well then, let me explain. This is a standard gauge train track. And this is a custom narrow gauge train track that I made on my own. Standard gauge is suitable for 6 stud wide trains. However, narrow gauge train tracks are suitable for 4 stud wide trains. Do they have different sizes? Yes, standard gauge and narrow gauge trains have different sizes. Here's a comparison between these two locomotives. I know that they're the same model, but this one over here uses more pieces than this one over here. Oh, and LEGO most likely uses this piece of train track on most of their LEGO train sets. However, this is my kind of train track if I had narrow gauge train tracks. Or maybe, if I couldn't afford train tracks, then this is what I would most likely make for my own. Well, now you know the true difference between standard gauge trains and narrow gauge trains. Well, it seems like that's pretty much it throughout this entire video. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.